Next.
One man come back already.
You send me outside.
That's a run you.
None of your business.
So the man come get vexed with me for after the me make she run you. I just stay all the same and one like say she a taps.
Me know you know she. I shoulder be them sharp like razor. Shuffle it domino.
Yeah.
Where M16?
M16. They on the alert, man. Every time.
Come, double 64.
Alright. Double 6, eh?
Two double 6.
Hey, everybody, this is not stick up. Hold up.
Stick it up. Yo, stick it up. M16. Stick it. Come, stick him. M16. Stick him. Nobody move. Nobody squint.
We see that already.
Just repeat it, boss, in case.
Shut up, man.
Yes, boss.
Security guard, them, want it?
Security guard, hold up on.
Security guard, come forward.
Come forward, security guard.
You have to repeat everything we say.
No, Ralph. I'm telling you, don't call me by my right name. So, you will call me by my right name? Because I'm the leader. No, but that...
Shut up, man. I'm going to look for the security guard there.
Yes, boss. Security guard, where are Uno? Uno is here. Because since Monday, we've been checking out this place. It's just down the road we live.
I'll give them your name and a telephone number too.
Not a telephone, boss.
Shut up, man. I'm going to look for the security guard there.
Yes, boss. Monday,
where?
Plain clothes?
Where?
Over there, this is a lady in the green blouse.
You, come forward.
You, blue sweater, come forward. I know your face. Come forward.
Yeah. Now come for you.
Me? Shoot him, boss. Shoot him.
No. Easy. Yeah, you.
You, Anthony here. Reach for this guy. On your toe pint.
All right. You are the security guard, yeah?
Me? You crazy, man. I visited from New York.
Shut up, Al.
Yes, boss.
So you come from New York?
Yeah. Born, grown, raised in New York City. You don't bother about me. You just go on with your doings.
Where New York is?
Foreign.
Foreign? You have US dollars?
Shut up, Al.
Yes, boss.
We have on a shirt.
Under my belly, sir.
So your belly so tough, eh?
Let me see what you have on your shirt.
Button. Tell you, boss. Him are the security.
You tell me lie. See my volume uniform and him clothes, yeah, man. I see him at under the chair there.
Shoot him, boss?
No.
Shoot him?
No.
Me's not the only security here. Me's just a deputy.
What? So you're partner, then what is? Ambush? Why?
Show your face.
And there is a body to include the yellow belly chicken.
Tell it. I want 5, 100, and 620, and 220.
Boss, same there.
I'm in lunchtime. Lunchtime.
You understand, sir? You are the security guard, yeah.
Beg pardon, are you addressing me?
Shoot him, boss?
No, Al. You're the security guard, yeah?
Security guard, meet me. Tell her make case, no man. Me love time to finish.
So, why you put on your shirt back waist?
Look underneath the shirt.
Boss, you have a next shirt on this one.
It's inside fever harbor. My doctor recommend that I keep warm.
What you have on your shirt? Gun?
Gun? Look over, I'm shoot.
Right.
Gun?
It's a button.
So you're really the security guard then?
Me no man. Me no security guard. It's just a little holiday job. Me there, but I'm not even take the job serious.
Him the boss, him own the company, me uncle on probation.
So why you lie?
I saw he still lie.
Yeah, why lie? Move back, make a dust him.
Alright, everybody. This is a hold up.
We said that already, boss.
Shut up, man. Everybody on the floor. No, man, no head. No, you. Get up, man. Why are you against the wall when I can't see you?
Yeah, against the wall. You must climb the wall, boss.
No, just lean against it.
Oh, lean against it. Hey, you up against the wall. Move it.
Nice meeting you, boss, but me kind of busy.
Up against the wall.
Yeah, you too. Move it, you the boss.
Yes, I hear what the boss
Move it and down low.
It's alright. M16 gone for hell.
Now, everybody remove all valuable from your possession and put them on the ground beside them.
Yeah, all valuables of any value on the floor.
Hey, yo. Make the teller full that.
Yes, boss. With what, boss?
Money. Idiot. Yeah, money. You idiot shooting boss.
No.
You can join the others at the floor, the bar.
No, shut up and go back against the wall and I can see you.
So my boss, how you want it? 10s, 20s, 50s?
Everything, man. Everything. Let's go with everything. 10s, 20s, 50s,
100s, thousands, everything.
Shut up. Al. Yeah. Cover that one or two, right? Never take up the valuable them off of the floor.
Cover him back.
Yeah, you know, keep the gun on him and keep your eye on him. See? If you move,
Dust him. If him squint at dust him boss. Rub him out clean.
yeah.
My boss, the teller full in the bag.
You, over there beside him. And don't move a muscle.
The kingdom come. Thy will be done.